Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 3rd, 2024, and we're out here in the bed house greenhouse, and the lettuce and the spinach has been planted in here. And this bed was recharged with some different soil to give a fresh start for these plants here. Because some of the old soil, you can see it kind of sunk down there. And this here has been planted in here. We're keeping it nice and moist. We have our sticky traps up. I'll have links down in the description for the sticky traps that we use and for the grow light that we use in the greenhouses here. So you can see here we have some plants that are actually coming back from seed. They reseeded themselves in here. This is the Verbina that I had in here last year. Now this will not be staying in here. It kind of went crazy last year in the greenhouse. And it did grow very well outside, so it's going to be an outside plant more than a greenhouse crop. So the Dusty Miller did stay in, and it was sprayed for aphids. It was sprayed with neem oil, and I believe it's Spawners, I think that's what it is. I'll put the name on. Soap was mixed in with it, and they were sprayed for aphids. I did find one ladybug in here, like 2 months ago, but haven't seen that since, and that was before we even sprayed, so haven't seen that since. But I did keep that in here, and that's actually ready to harvest, so I'm probably going to be cutting some of that. And then the status did stay in. We don't have the fan on right now, so the door is open in this greenhouse. We just don't have the fan on right now. The fan is on in the old greenhouse, but the status did stay in, and that's starting to really come into bloom here for me. So the heater just jumped on in this greenhouse here. The tomato plant was cut down, and some cuttings were stuck in after it was sprayed really heavy with neem oil. And like I said, we still have our sticky traps in here. So these still need to get all cleaned out here. I have no idea what's in that aquarium. It was something that my dad brought in here. I have no idea what's in there. But this is all going to get cleaned out. And we're going to put new fresh soil on top of the beds. And we're going to take all of these here out. And I already have the crops growing to be transplanted into here when they're ready to be. So we're going to acclimate them. When they're ready to come in here, they're just little small seedlings right now. But I'll show them to you then. You can see one of our heat pipes back there. The soil in this bed has sunk down. It's been planted in for 2 years now. So I want to take the soaker hoses out. I want to add some fresh soil onto the top. We're going to put in the Beyond Peat Professional and Organics potting mix. And we're going to be putting that in here as a nice top dress for this. And then we'll put the soaker hoses back down so these can be planted then. Now this one here got the Beyond Peat Professional and Organics raised bed soil. That's what this one here got in. Now I am not affiliated with them in any way, shape, or form. They had it on clearance one time for like $1 a bag, and we filled the truck and trailer up with it, and I've been using it for different things, and it does seem to grow very well for certain plants. Certain plants don't like it, but some plants really love it. So I just wanted to show you this here, and we're going to go over and I'll show you the seedlings that I have growing that will be coming into this greenhouse here. So I'm in the old greenhouse right now, and this is pretty much my seed starting greenhouse. And I tried to start certain seeds over in the bed house greenhouse. Even though it has the heat in the beds, it seemed to kind of be different, and I like starting them better in the old greenhouse and then moving them over. So that's what I'm doing here. So we have some of our celosia here and some of our different plants here that are going to be going in the greenhouse over there. I'm not going to put the snapdragons in or the carnations in. And then there's some more celosia here, And I have some other stuff that didn't come up yet. My Gomphrenias are just starting to come up where I'm growing at. If I want them for cut flower production, I have to grow them inside to get the long stems. So I just wanted to show you this here, and like I said, I have some other stuff that just didn't come up yet. But I'm trying to figure out what all I want to put in that greenhouse and kind of go from there. So I wasn't sure at first if I was going to let the status in the other greenhouse, but then I kind of decided to. So I'm still like figuring out my plan for that greenhouse. I know some of what I want to put in it, but not everything. I might put some lady lavender plants in it. I'm not sure yet. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.